origin of the name Kemayoran. Kemayoran is its historical spring area Jakarta, the hosting place and significant community find the area reflect the story and the spread of the local people, making taking an inspiration for the club name. Okay, Magic Kemayoran is symbol in Tiger, now the Tiger stranger and speed. And for still friend alike to its spirit of and in the Tiger reps the club in algorithm testing and spirit and dominant in Indonesia people. The next philosophy and behind Macan Kemayoran, the value of the club, strength and reflected by the power and the dominance of the Tiger of the field. Orange on the brave of the fight and very to match the ends of the challenge. Serenity of reclaiming good styles and convincing of train towards victory. The role of the tiger in Indonesia culture. Tiger of the rivet animal sought as Asian voice and socially leadership and strength. The achievement of Oceania and the national leader 2018 sorry 31 when 20 2018 and champion Persija victory Indonesia football and Legion Northwest and the dominance multi and Piala Indonesia and Piala Presiden detail international tactics and Persija has covered regional tournament and like to Africa Cup as the 20 Indonesia and international exploits. Okay. Law of Jackmania Sport, South Jackmania. Jackmania and process advancements and Persija are right now for growing and the flourishing and sport is framing and the atmosphere and the stadium. Therefore the recovery and the spirit of Macan Kemayoran printing of progress like employment from the program. Significant of Jackmania. The try got a song in the try and made the banner play crucial role in boosting morale of the team and maintaining a spirit of unity. Macan Kemayoran the mascot, symbol of Tiger mascot, Tiger more, just symbol is a brand of the club spirit and trusting strength brand of the field. The club Sida Tiger running in club and jersey Bluefet figure among the often net often identified. Spreading the team. Mascot service symbol player of tournament as giving and love nothing factory. Persija culture effect. Persija masih lumayan more just the football and club identity for the people of Jakarta. The club or supporter are an integral of the city and the culture with match day often become and sentiment and story. And Fred and mentioned the popular media, the club is major express and local and the music and the event trade, fashion, culture, embracing the Tiger and Persija and the cultural fabric of Jakarta. Calculation. The name of Macan Kemayoran is a statement of loyalty and primate of Persija, strength for organ and invested, and the caretaker continues with its strength in veneration of prayer and defense alike. Persija not just football, but symbol in Jakarta Pride Indonesia footballing heritage. The football in vocabulary. Becoming familiar, Farmer gave you present group and the team. Mascot and symbol figure inspiring group the team. Champion the present organization competition of the purpose. The result ability from quality from the vehicle stronger. Aggression, hospitality, or the track you prefer, Poland and behavior and the show. Victory and the hope, winning and completing battle. Courage in the ability to face with gender and the pretty with preference. Forces in the people and the will stronger and back to the team of course. Thank you. Thank you and attention.